Can we have the full screen, ma'am?
Guru start.
Ma'am, can we have a full screen, ma'am? A pleasant good afternoon to everyone. We are glad to welcome our MBA second year students, faculties for this online webinar after a long gap. It's a great pleasure for SRM Valiame Engineering College Department of Management Studies to welcome our chief guest, Dr. S. Vanitha, for presenting a topic on ethics for entrepreneurs. We are proud to introduce our chief guest, Dr. S. Vanitha, Associate Professor, Department of Commerce and Financial Studies, School of Business Studies, Bharathidasan University. Her academic qualifications MCOM, MBA, PhD. She has a teaching experience of more than 12 years and research experience for more than 19 years. She plays a major role in the institute as class coordinator for the Department of Commerce and Financial Studies, Bharathidasan University. She is a placement coordinator, library in charge, members of the executive committee, and members of the advisory committee of women. And she is involved in sanitization and hygiene, WISH, Bharathidasan University, Tiruchirappalli. Her areas of research are financial management, mergers and acquisitions, stock market, and foreign exchange. She has successfully completed funder research project for UGC minor research project on testing of portfolios, conditional volatility in Indian stock market with a special reference to BSE Group. And also, she has completed a major research project of ICSSR on testing of co-integration and volatility of commodity spot and future prices in India, and a few more to list out. She has organized many workshops, events, and participated in many international conferences and seminars, and also presented more than 104 papers in international conferences and seminars. The eminent professor is now with us to deliver a wonderful session on ethics for entrepreneurs. Now, the session is yours, ma'am.
Thank you, sir, for introducing this. Welcome to everybody. I'd like to thank you very much to this A. Guru sir, coordinator, A. Sendhil Chinna, convener, and a special thanks to president of the SRM Valiama Engineering also fellow faculty member is Department of Management Studies. This webinar is association with the Institute's Innovations Council, the Internal, and also Anti-Trust Development Scheme. Thanks once again. Let me start. This is a lecture on ethics for entrepreneurship.
Guru,
Yes, sir.
Ethics.
sound மேடம் கேட்டுக்கல.
Ma'am, உங்களது ஆடிபிளா இல்லை மேம், லைட்டா சவுண்ட் ரொம்ப மைல்டா இருக்கு.
Sir,
ஓகே மேம்.
sir.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, let me start the webinar special lecture topic on ethics for entrepreneurship. Correct, sir?
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Proceed.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Ethics. This will be ethics. Ethics, it is here as per the important words of from the management. So ethics is one of the code of conducts and regulations, bylaws, away from the Regulations Act, from the as per the any act, the meaning of ethics. In the other ways, this ethics means it's a systematic activities of the each and every work. So we have to do it anything, first of all, and follow regulations. Because we have to go by travel in bus. As per the procedures, we have to take it, pay the rules and regulations of services. We have to study from the MBA, all are in MBA graduates. About now we are going to in the pandemic situations. Is the ethics. Ethics means we have to use the SOPs. This means and follow the wear mask, maintain from in social distancing. This way is ethics. Ethics means it is a each and every individuals obey from the rules of the society. Each and every individuals obey from the so and how to apply from the ethics. These entrepreneurs. What is only entrepreneurs? So entrepreneurs means it's a as any individuals start any business. Any business means maybe and entrepreneurs may be male or female. Both are us may be started from the any business. Stand in its own land, invested in own money, invested from the any business, maybe partnership firm, maybe company. Partnership firms it's obey from as per the Partnership Act. Companies we have to start it from the any company and obey from the Companies Act 1956. Because we are go to in corporate started from the any company MNC companies and we have to obey from the SEBI Act, Securities and Exchange Board of Act 1992. Because we have to start it from the any banking financial institutions and we have to obey from the RBI Act. So this is a meaning of from the entrepreneurs. So entrepreneurs means it's not meaning that so not job seekers. Entrepreneurs means job givers. எப்பயுமே வேலை கொடுக்குறவங்களா தான் இருக்கும். This is the meaning of from the entrepreneur. படிச்சுட்டு ஏதோ ஒரு வேலைக்கு போறதா we have to given from the job from the others. Maybe youngsters, maybe women's, maybe any individuals. That way, this is a meaning of from entrepreneurs. So there are various meanings is given to the from the ethics. Ethics it's obey from the rules and regulations. That's what I am saying. The means of in custom, habit, character, disposition, attitudes, aptitudes, quality, total quality management. Various concept is given the from the ethics. The ethics covers the following areas. There are many areas. Ethics covers from not only from the entrepreneurs. The ethics is covered from throughout the world. Okay. First, there are some of the important factors also. I am also given these slides. And first one, how to live a good life. This is the meaning of importance to the ethics. Our rights and responsibilities. The language of rights and moral decisions, what is good and bad. Okay, so that way the ethics is being derived from the religions, philosophies and cultures. Okay, each and every religions obey from as per the ethics. ஒரு ரிலிஜியன்லையும் ஹிந்துவாக இருந்தாலும் முஸ்லீமாக இருந்தாலும் கிறிஸ்டினாக இருந்தாலும் அவங்களுக்குன்னு ஒரு background of the ethics we have to follow. So and another one is obey from the human rights. So apart from this, this is one of the debatable topic. So and that way we have to maintain from the human rights. This is also one of the ethics. And also professional contacts. The professional contacts means as a top level management obey to low level managements and low level managements obey to top level managements. Do not any gap from the top management system to low level management system. This is a meaning of from the ethics. Suppose any miscommunication is there, this wrong ethics also is going. That way as any business concerns may be affected in future. So ethics it's also is one of the success factors of the any business concern. And next is entrepreneur. entrepreneurs means as any individuals creates a new business, bearing most of the risk and enjoys most of the rewards. And also it is also the process of the settings of a business is known as in entrepreneurships. The entrepreneur is commonly seen an innovator, a source of new ideas, goods, services, and business or procedures. So entrepreneur, it's maybe you started any new business, maybe started in tea shop, maybe started in petty shop, maybe you have to started in any, uh, for example, sweet stall, from anything. It is also mean entrepreneur. So entrepreneurs, it's a there are many qualities is there from the entrepreneur. First of all, how to write about in business proposals. As a businessman, identified from the new ideas, sources of new ideas. This is a most important concept from the entrepreneur. As I started any business as an entrepreneur, how to, as a business concern should be registered from the any bodies. Maybe RBI Act, maybe SEBI Act, maybe local act, maybe any municipal act. We have to start it from the any business. So first of all, it's registered as per the registered any act or local act or any judicial act or any municipal act. Okay, you are all are in MBA graduates. Your completion of the MBA degree successfully, then you go to the next one. Maybe some of the students have creating innovative ideas also introduced from the business. Some of the students go to in write about from the competitive examination. They are go to good placement in various government institutions. And some of the students is maybe started in any small concern of business. Some of the students may be created in new ideas. So entrepreneurs means is innovators. Innovator இருக்கணும், ரொம்ப new ideable இருக்கணும். So services is very good and business procedures is very perfectly followed. This is the meaning of from the entrepreneur. And the next one, there are many definitions given to the entrepreneur. Okay, entrepreneurs is a start of any ventures. This is a small concept startup firms. Okay, this is the meaning of from the entrepreneur. And another one is the best examples of the entrepreneurs is they starting a new business ventures. The entrepreneurs as a often known as a sources of new ideas or innovators, and many concept is this replacing so old with new innovations. Okay, so say this is the meaning of from the entrepreneurs. Evolution of the concept of entrepreneur. So there are many ways is evolution of the entrepreneur is used from the various ways and views. There are three broadly main views of entrepreneurs as a risk bearers, entrepreneur as an organizer, entrepreneur as an innovator. Okay, entrepreneur always in balancing of risk as a maybe started from any entrepreneur or any businessman. First of all, they keep it mind in balancing risk mind. Please keep it maintained from the balance. Maybe as a business concern, as an entrepreneur, maybe face from loss or profit. From anything, they are acquiring from the loss or profit. Risk barriers. Okay. And second one is entrepreneurs as a organizers. Entrepreneurs should be known about in maintain from the all the qualities of the how to organize from the each and every activities, each and every sections. So entrepreneur as an innovators, innovator are different ideas also introduced from the business concern, new concept also introduced, new ideas also introduced, new technology also adopted. There are various ways as a broadly as an entrepreneur keep it maintained from these ways. Okay. So this and the next one, entrepreneur social responsibility. So, and as a entrepreneurs, always aim to maintain from the social responsibilities. Social responsibilities in the sense of from these, there are a basically as a product is enriched from these goods and services in acting very good manner. This is the meaning of from the in social responsibilities. And other ways, the social responsibilities means it's a reached to the it's a products in the widely from the throughout the world. This is the meaning of from the social responsibilities. As the entrepreneurs, it's maintained from the uh, usual relationship from this in throughout the world. That way, as the entrepreneur business concerns is widely covered from the throughout the world and keep it maintained from the innovative ideas also implemented. Um, Export import undertakings also followed, and also in collaboration from the one country to another country, foreign collaboration agreements. That way, as the entrepreneurs should be maintained from the social responsibilities from the throughout the world. This is the most important to utilize as a efficiency as a resources of the any business concerns. So there are many. Kate Davis says social responsibility begins where the law ends. Okay, எப்பயுமே ரொம்ப social responsibilities வந்து entrepreneurs should be keep it maintained seems very properly. And also, Irving Kristol says the business tends to operate too narrowly within the constraints of economic concerns. As a businessman must act within the broader context of the human community. So there are many of the uh, entrepreneur experts is given to the and another one is social responsibilities activities of the entrepreneur. What are the social responsibilities? There are the following entrepreneurial activities can be termed as socially responsibilities. And first one, undertake the business activities which are in socially acceptable and relevant to the need and want of the market. Okay, so the relevance, as a product should be always in relevance to the as a people, as a public, as a product should be is want to market. And second one is entrepreneurs have to carry out the business based on set of ethics. So as an entrepreneur should be start of any things as in setup based on from this ethics. And the third point is develop the business activities which protect the environment of the consumer in general and the society in particular. And the fourth one, entrepreneur actives must be enhancing the moral climate of the society. So entrepreneurs should be act from the enhancing from the society, particularly in maintain the moral climate conditions activities. And entrepreneurs self employment programs for the entrepreneurs. Okay, so entrepreneurs should be in recently nowadays is entrepreneur is one of the most important in talkative topic in recently. There are many of the schemes, many of the programs, many of the sector, government sector and non-government sectors is always in supporting to the economically to the weaker sections in particular, and it's a self-employment program such as many of the schemes is should be very helpful to the in development of the entrepreneur. As a union, ministries of rural development and housing, urban employment and poverty uh, alleviations have been engaged in non-farm sectors in development by the supporting to the economically. So many of the for example, so many of the programs as a development of the self-help group. Union Ministries of Social Welfare and Women and Child Development are implementing programs for the women. As the entrepreneurs is always in weaker sections and like to low income, as many of the entrepreneurs nowadays in women entrepreneurs also is recently is living in throughout the world. So many of the schemes also in develop supporting to the women entrepreneurs is there. And also two self-employment schemes under the Ministry of Agro and Rural Industries or Prime Minister's Yojana is coordinating by the development of the commissioner and the small scale industries and rural employment generations program is coordinated by the Khadi and Village Industries Commission. So many of the self-employment schemes also is very well supported to the in the entrepreneurs, not only from women entrepreneur and also in entrepreneur. The major self-employment programs and district level contact organizations programs. Prime Minister's Yojana, this is one of the schemes. See, entrepreneurs go to use these kind of institutions will help to the in the providing financial facilities and also providing from the funding for development of the any entrepreneur schemes. REGS Rural Employment Generation Program, SGSY Swaraj Jayanti Swaraj Yojana. There's many schemes is supported to the in entrepreneurs schemes. So these schemes it's obey from the some of the acts that way as the entrepreneurs obey from the rules and regulations. These schemes is very helpful to the from the entrepreneur and also they are in promoted in the introduced from the new product innovative ideas and implemented from the innovative products also and updated from the what is the consumers taste as a entrepreneur go taste from the. And next one, district level organizations. There are many organizations there from these, and especially for the district level organizations is there. These schemes, these centers, these agencies is very helpful to the entrepreneurs. For example, District Industry Center, KVIB, Khadi and Village Industries Commission, Board, and District Rural Development Agency, municipality and the municipal corporation and the district urban development agency. Like in respective organizations at the district level, it is a very helpful to the from the entrepreneurs. As that way, as a entrepreneurs, it is a very improved to the financial level. They are achieved from the high profit. Also, they are in achieving so good growth in the futures. And next one is from women entrepreneur. Women, and already my sayings that women entrepreneurs nowadays many of the women it's started from these small petty shop, small ready-made shop. That's the saying. As women entrepreneurs is nowadays is one of the improving started from the any business that way as improving the economic level and also improving from the our economic status. That way as a women status also improving from acceptable from the society. It is only most important to the women. Definition of the women entrepreneurs. There are many definitions is there from the women entrepreneurs. As Indian government it defines as a women entrepreneur enterprise as a one and controlled by the women having a minimum financial interest of 50 and giving at least 51% of the employment generated by the enterprise to the women. So they are invested from the own money, maybe borrowed fund. They are sorted from the any business, like keep it maintained from the at least as a financial interest 51. It is a most important to the as per the rules and regulations of the. So what are the stages of the development of the women entrepreneur? The following efforts can be made to the promote the development of the women entrepreneurs in the country. There are four types of from this country. First one, enhancing the human-based businesses. Second one, widespread business education and better financial assistance and wider access to the technology. The group entrepreneurship. and also the grassroots entrepreneurship throughout the self-help group. So nowadays, if the self-help, last one, it is one of the important to the women's side self-help group. It is we living to the in the village side. That way, as a women's, it's improvement of the family in children's education, improving from the health care and other things. They are also engaged from the schemes. The institutions supporting women entrepreneurs in India. There are various institutions in India that are devoted to the in promoting women entrepreneurs. They are in consortium of women entrepreneurs in India. So these are in financial in various institutions. It is a supporting and very helping to the helpful to the women entrepreneurs. FICCI, ladies organizations, Women's India Trust, associations of women entrepreneurs, and there are various schemes is available that way as a women's entrepreneurs improving the world. And the special bank schemes promoting from the women's entrepreneurs. Almost all the public sector bank or private sectors banks it's and special banks and many special schemes also is supported to the entrepreneurs. So entrepreneur sites and that what I am saying. Many of the, especially from the NABARD bank, it's very helpful to the from the and also small industry development bank. So given the financial facilities, maybe as an entrepreneur, we started from this any financial concerns, and also the so all these banks are given to the financial facilities. That way, they are in balancing from the risk balances. Entrepreneurs in India. There are many entrepreneurs in India, especially created, must set started their industries. Kiran Instant Source is one of the founder, chairman of the managing directors of India's leading technology, biotechnology industries. Rich Kumar is a leading Indian designer who is created from the merging the ancient traditional Indian craftsmanships within the modern sensibilities. And another one is Entrepreneurship's Development Institute of India, EDII. So this is of the major institute. So they are started in the setup in 1983. Sponsored in the many of the financial institutions, IDBI Bank, IFCI, ICICI Bank, State Bank of India. So also is in the financial facilities to the government. There are many departments at the FDII as entrepreneurs education. These are in departments, so that way I see improvement of the from the entrepreneurs, entrepreneurship education, business development services, outreach, policy, advocacy, knowledge and research, so developing economy, engagement, and states. These are in separate departments. So that way, as the entrepreneurs go to use the financial facilities and providing from the, they are in providing many schemes availing from the many projects also there. As the entrepreneurs go to use the minimum level of possibilities, use the, they are learned from the financial growth in future. FDII's institution network. So these are in network institutions as a head office in Ahmedabad. There are state, national, regionals, project officers, international resource persons. So these are in international network facilities. There are first one by IED, Andhra Pradesh, CDD. There are these are in states level. These are institutions working from the head office Ahmedabad. National level is working many NGOs. These are in business management organization, industry association, and third one regional projects offices. These are in projects. Many of the project schemes is availing from these regional projects as offices. This international level they are in availing. So that way as entrepreneurs go to use the from the international level resource persons and the trainer, entrepreneur trainer, motivators, the business counselors, and the teachers. Many of the resources is available. So we have to make it use these opportunities and how to develop from the entrepreneur schemes in India out the world. And the next one, 8 elements of the ethics for entrepreneur. This is a most important topic in these seminars. First one, respect. Okay, what is my respect? So as a businessman, first of all, keep it main from this concept. It is a most important. As a entrepreneurs, go to respect from the others. Okay, others means in the sense of from the customers, consumers, suppliers, dealers, and distributors. So these are in big channels from these respect of these first heading. So as a entrepreneurs, go to obey from the respect from these others, respect from the rules and regulations, so respect from the in business activities and any other activities. First of all, as the entrepreneurs go to follow from this in this first one. And second one, honor. The honor it is also in the most important one in second point. The honor in the sense of from the so as a business, as an entrepreneur, as a business concerns go to identify from the anything. First of all, honor. Okay. The honor means in the sense of from this employability side. Okay. Like as an employer is always working to this any business concern. So as a higher officials go to identify who is in working or who is given the in good returns to the entrepreneurs. That way they are go to identify and go to honor from these particular persons. That way as an entrepreneur earn from the high return or high profit. And next one, third, integrity. Integrity means it is the smooth relationship between from the entrepreneur and work. So this is a most important one. Third elements. So integrity means maintain the relationship. That's what I am saying from integrity. There is no any partial relationship is there. First of all, so maintain from the mutual understanding. It's a good attitude. Maintain the quality, attitudes, some knowledge, personality, and everything. It is also included integrity. And the fourth one, customer focus. Okay, customer focus as a business, as an entrepreneur, as any small business concern is always in focus in customer. So customer it is a very most important goodwill of the company and goodwill of the any entrepreneur process. Okay. So as a entrepreneur means always focus in narrow focus of the customer. So that way, as a company, as any entrepreneur system is improving from this in future. They are maintained from the relationship very smoothly, and also given from the any gift to the customer, any vouchers, any coupons, any price, any gift. That way, as we maintain the relationship, it's a smoothly in future. This is the meaning of customer focus. As the entrepreneurs always in think that in customer focus. So what is the nature of the customers? The attitudes of the, they are also analyzed from the customer focus attitudes. This is that way as in survival in long life. What is the nature of the customer? What is the attitudes of the customer? That way they are both ways identifying who is in good customers in the entrepreneur. This is the most important things of the customer. And fifth one, results oriented. Results oriented in the sense of from this as a entrepreneur is always in there are here any business concern, any entrepreneur is always in result oriented. Sense of from the pass or fail. We have to come across from the entrepreneur side profit or loss. So that way, as any business concerns, go to think that in this result oriented means in positive or positive results oriented. Okay, producing as an entrepreneur, ways in produce new ideal, innovative ideas also introduced. It's a good quality, maintain from a good relationship, innovative ideas, technological also adopted. So these are also in ideal oriented in conceptual background also applied from the any and that way the results is oriented in positively entrepreneurs. That way they are living from the and the sixth one risk taking. So as an entrepreneur, always in risk taking. Okay. Risk taking is also in novel concept. As a business concern, as any entrepreneur, is always in think that it's a balancing of risk. Balancing of risk, how to face the risk, how to face the return, how to balancing risk, balancing it. So these ideas the entrepreneurs go to clearly identify and clearly know about from the how to face the risk, to taking risk. That way they are in about as a business concern is going in. Suppose they are faced from the risk, they are suffer from the heavy loss in how to acquire the loss, how to balancing from the suddenly some of the business concerns suddenly disappointed. Is the risk immediately they are certainly disappointed. So this is not a good. So I say this is face the risk is very normally. So any business concern is any coin, a coin, everything life, everything life, birth, death, it's coin. For example, coin, certain time, the student's result, pass and fail. Everything is the risk is always there. How to face the risk, how to face the risk, how to understanding the risk, how managing the risk. That what the entrepreneurs clearly face, clearly identified, clearly managing the risk. This is a success factors of the. And seventh one is passion. So entrepreneurs always keep it maintained from passion. Maintain the good communication, maintain the relationship from the others, maintain the personality, maintain the export and the import undertaking, so maintain the foreign collaborations agreement, so maintain the in as a products move to market, as a products meet to competitors. These also in fashion. That way as is reached in place in the future. Okay, fashion is the meaning of from the new ideas, styles appear from the new ideal development industry, new product development, innovative ideas development, technological ideas development. This is the meaning of from the fashions. Persistence. It's a persistence in the sense of from the is they are in acquire from the any assets. Okay, as an entrepreneur is always in this maintain the from persistence. It is it's a good thinking involving it, and in the good characters, the good relationship, everything it is also incorporate persistence. These are from the 8 elements of the ethics for the entrepreneurs. So entrepreneurs quota. This is a importance one. The entrepreneurs always searches, change response to it, and expect it as an opportunity. This is a given to code word of the data tracker. So enterprise is always in searches. Search பண்ணிட்டே இருக்கணும், சேஞ்ச் இருக்கணும், ரெஸ்பான்ஸ் இருக்கணும். Okay, so this is a good qualities. Opportunities பார்த்துட்டே இருக்கணும். எப்போ opportunities வரும், opportunities வரும் அப்படின்னு think பண்ணிட்டே இருக்கணும். This is a most important proverb of the. Then another quote. Okay, entrepreneurs, a person who sees a person's finds a solution is a visionary, and the persons who goes out and does something about it is an entrepreneur. நவீன் சொன்னார். ஸோ entrepreneur எப்பயுமே அவங்க பார்த்தீங்கன்னா வந்து as a person seems a problem is an human problem easily solved. Okay. Also easily as a person able to easier solution பண்றோம், easier solution பண்றோம். So this is what is importance. Next one is இப்போ திருக்குறளை பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஆண்டர்பிரனர் பற்றி நிறைய உடைதென்று வேண்டும் பெருமை முயற்சி தரும். செய்வதற்கு ஆகாது என்று சோறு கூறாமல் இதை செய்வதற்கு தக்க பெருமை முயற்சி வேண்டும். சாலமன் பாப்பையா என்ன சொல்றாருன்னா, இதை செய்ய முடியும் செய்ய முடியாது, இதை செய்து முடிக்கும் ஆற்றலை முயற்சி தரும். இதை செய்ய முடியும். entrepreneurs always in enthusiastic இருக்கணும், enthusiastic-ஆ இருக்கணும், வந்து ஹெல்த்தியா இருக்கணும், பேலன்சிங் பர்சனாக இருக்கணும், எதையுமே வந்து ஈஸி கோயிங் கேரக்டராக இருக்கணும், ஈஸி அண்டர்டேக்கிங்ஸ், ஈஸி அக்வயரிங்ஸ், ஈஸிலி எக்ஸ்பிளனேஷன்ஸ், ஈஸிலி கம்யூனிகேட்டிங் அதர்ஸ். ஸோ எதையுமே நம்மளால முடியும் அப்படிங்கிறது வந்து டிஃப்ரெண்ட்டாக இருக்கணும். ஸோ தட்ஸ் வாட் ஐ எம் சேயிங். முடியும்னு நினைக்கிறோமோ கண்டிப்பாக we have to reach the success. அருமை உடைதென்று சாவாமை வேண்டும் பெருமை முயற்சி தரும். நம்ம எதை வந்து செஞ்சு முடிக்கணும்னு நம்ம வந்து மனசு வச்சாலே கண்டிப்பாக நம்மளால அதை செய்ய முடியும். அதே மாதிரி தான் ஆண்டர்பிரனருங்கிறவர் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இதை செஞ்சு அவர் சக்ஸஸ் பண்ண முடியும், என்னால் இதை சக்ஸஸ் ரேட்டு கொண்டு போக பிஸ்னஸ் நல்லா அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு எண்ணத்தோடு அவர் வந்து ஒரு முயற்சியில் இறங்கினார்னா கண்டிப்பாக அவர் வந்து ஸோ அதுதான் இதோட விளக்கம். அடுத்தது என்னன்னா, ஹவு டு ரைட் அபவுட் இன் தி பிஸ்னஸ் ப்ரொபோசல்ஸ். ஒரு ஆண்டர்பிரனராக இருக்கவர் எப்படி பிஸ்னஸ் ப்ரொபோசல்ஸ் எழுதணும் அப்படிங்கிறது முக்கியமான ஒரு. ஸோ ஒரு ஆண்டர்பிரனர் ஆகணும் அப்படின்னு நினச்சிங்கன்னா அபவுட் இன் தி பிஸ்னஸ் ப்ரொபோசல்ஸ். அதுக்கு முன்னாடி இந்த ஒரு இதை நான் சொல்லிக்கிறேன். ஸோ ஹவு டு ஸ்டார்ட் ஏ பிஸ்னஸ். ஸோ எப்படி நம்ம ஒரு பிஸ்னஸ் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணணும், ஸ்டார்ட் ஏ பிஸ்னஸ், ஹவு டு ஸ்டார்ட் அபவுட் இன் எனி ஆண்டர்பிரனர் அப்படிங்கிறது ரொம்ப முக்கியமானது. ஃபஸ்ட்டு நம்ம ஒரு ஆண்டர்பிரனர் ஆகணும் அப்படின்னு நினச்சிங்கன்னா வேர், வாட், ஒய், வென் இந்த கொஸ்டின்ஸ்க்கெலாம் நம்ம வந்து ஆன்சர் நம்ம கிளியராக கிடைக்கும். பிஸ்னஸ் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ண போகிறோம், எங்கே ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ண போகிறோம், எதுக்காக ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ண போகிறோம், எப்படி ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ண போகிறோம், யாருக்காக ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ண போகிறோம், என்ன விஷயத்துக்காக பண்ண அப்படிங்கிற இந்த கொஸ்டின்ஸ்க்குலாம் நம்ம ஒரு ஆன்சர் தெரிஞ்சு தான் பிஸ்னஸ் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணணும். ஃபஸ்ட்டு நீங்களும் யாராலும் என் MBA கிராஜுவேட்ஸ் நிறைய பேருக்கு பிஸ்னஸ் பண்ணணுங்கிற ஒரு ஐடியாஸ் இருக்கும். என்ன பிஸ்னஸ் பண்ண போகிறோம், எந்த இடத்துல பண்ண போகிறோம், என்ன மாதிரி லேண்ட்மார்க் சூஸ் பண்ண போகிறோம், என்ன மாதிரி பிஸ்னஸ் சூஸ் பண்ண போகிறோம், எவ்வளோ மேன் பவரில் சூஸ் பண்ண போகிறோம், எவ்வளோ ஃபைனான்ஷியல் அசிஸ்டன்ஸில் நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ண போகிறோம். இப்போ ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் ரிலையன்ஸ் அம்பானிலாம் சொல்லுவாங்க, very big corporate bodies. ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் டாடா குரு இவங்கெல்லாம் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு ஸ்மால் ஆண்டர்பனர் தான் இருந்தாங்க. இன்னைக்கு வந்து அவங்கெல்லாம் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இன்னைக்கு எம்என்சி கம்பெனி அவங்க இன்ட்ரடியூஸ் பண்ணாத ப்ராடக்டே கிடையாது. அவங்க என்ட்ரி ஆகாத ஃபீல்டே கிடையாது. எக்ஸ்பெஷலி ஃப்ரம் தி என்டரிங் டு சும்மா சாதாரண ஒரு அவங்களும் தேர் நாட் இன் எம்பிஏ கிராஜுவேட்ஸ், தேர் நாட் இன் பிகாம் கிராஜுவேட்ஸ், தேர் நாட் இன் பிபிஏ கிராஜுவேட்ஸ். ஜஸ்ட் தேர் இன் திங்க் தட் இன் தி பிரசன்ஸ் ஆஃப் மைண்ட் செய்யணுங்கிறத தெளிவாக நம்ம செஞ்சோம்னா கண்டிப்பாக வி வாண்ட் டு ரீச் தி பிளேஸ். எது செஞ்சு முடிக்கணும்னு நினைச்சாலே கண்டிப்பாக நம்ம செஞ்சு முடிக்கணும். அம்பானிலாம் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா அவர் கேட்டு வாட்ச்மேனாக தான் இருந்தார் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. ஸ்டோரியெலாம் சொன்னால் படிக்காதவங்க 10th கூட பாஸ் பண்ணாங்க. ஆனால் இன்னைக்கு அவங்க அவங்க அந்த பேர் வந்து ரீச் ஆகாத பிளேஸே கிடையாது. எஸ்பெஷலி ஃப்ரம் தி ஃபாஸ்ட் மூவிங் கன்சூமர் குட்ஸ் டெய்லி யூஸ் பண்ணுற எல்லாமே வந்துருச்சு. லென்ஸ் ப்ராடக்ட் வந்துருச்சு, எல்லா ப்ராடக்ட்டுமே வந்துருச்சு. அதே மாதிரி நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணுற ஐட்டம்ஸ், நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணுற காஸ்மெட்டிக்ஸ் ஐட்டம், நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணுற ட்ரெஸ் ஐட்டம்ஸ், வி ஹவ் டு யூஸ் இன் டே டு டே லைஃப் எல்லாமே வந்து அவங்க என்ட்ரி பண்ணிடுறாங்க. அதே மாதிரி டாடா குரூப்ஸும் அதே மாதிரி தான். ஸோ இந்த மாதிரி பார்த்தீங்கன்னா நிறைய பேர் நமக்கு தெரிஞ்சவங்க பார்த்தீங்கன்னா சின்ன சின்ன கம்பெனி தான் வச்சுருப்பாங்க. ஸோ அது லாஸ் ஆனாலும் அந்த சக்ஸஸ் ரீச் வந்து ரீச் பண்ணணும். முக்கியமாக அவங்க பிஸ்னஸ் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணது ஃபஸ்ட்டு ஒரு பிஸ்னஸ் ப்ரொபோசல் எழுதணும். பிஸ்னஸ் ப்ரொபோசல் எழுதி ஃபஸ்ட்டு அதை நம்ம ட்ரையல் பண்ணணும். செய்ய முடியுமா, நல்ல முடியுமா, முடியாதா அப்படின்னு. தென் லெட் வி ஸ்டார்ட் வந்து ஃபஸ்ட்டு வி ஹவ் டு ரெஜிஸ்டர் ஃப்ரம் தி கம்பெனி. எதில் நம்ம ரெஜிஸ்டர் பண்ணணும், அதுக்கு என்ன ஃபார்மாலிட்டிஸ் ப்ரொசீஜர்ஸ் அப்படிங்கிறத நம்ம எல்லாம் எடுத்து ஸோ ஃபஸ்ட்டு வந்து எத்திக்ஸ் ஃபார் ஆண்டர்ப்ரனர் அப்படின்னா மெயின்டைன் ஃப்ரம் தி ரூல்ஸ் அண்ட் ரெகுலேஷன்ஸ் ஆஃப் தி எனி பிஸ்னஸ். ஆண்டர்ப்ரனராக ஆகணும், ஒரு பிஸ்னஸ் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணோம்னா சில எத்திக்ஸ் இருக்குது, கோட் இருக்குது, குவாலிட்டி இருக்குது, குவாலிட்டிஸ் இருக்குது, ரெஸ்பான்சிபிலிட்டிஸ் இருக்குது. இதை வந்து மெயின்டைன் பண்ணணும். ஸோ தட் வே ஆஸ் வி ஹாவ் டு என்டர் இன் தி சக்ஸஸ் ஆண்டர்ப்ரனர். ஒரு ப்ராடக்டை வந்து இன்ட்ரடியூஸ் பண்ணணும்னு நினைக்கிறோம். இன்ட்ரடியூஸ் எப்படி பண்ணுறது அப்படின்னு ஃபஸ்ட்டு அதை வந்து குவாலிட்டியாக மேனுஃபேக்சரிங் பண்ணணும். குவாலிட்டி ஃபஸ்ட்டு ப்ரொடியூசிங் குவாலிட்டி ஃபஸ்ட்டு ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணது குவாலிட்டியாக இருக்கிறது, அப்புறம் போக போக குவாலிட்டியாக இருக்கிறது இப்படி இருக்கக்கூடாது. எனிவேஸ் டோன்ட் காம்ப்ரமைஸ் ஃப்ரம் திஸ் குவாலிட்டி. ஸோ மெயின்டைன் தி குவாலிட்டி, இட் இஸ் a most important concept of the ethics for the. ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் திருச்சியில் வந்து ஒரு ஆண்டர்ப்ரனர், அவர் வந்து ஏர்லி காஃபி நிறைய பேர் நீங்கள் எப்படி சொன்னீங்கன்னா ஷாப்பில் காஃபி எல்லாருமே வந்து காஃபி குடிச்சிருக்காங்க, நானும் போய் குடிச்சிருக்கேன். அவர்கிட்ட ஒரு டைம் நம்ம பேசுகிறப்போ ஒரு ஸ்மால் ஆண்டர்ப்ரனர் தனியாக தான் ஒரு காஃபி கடை நடத்தும். ஸ்ரீரங்கம் கோயில் சின்ன கடை தான். ஆனால் இன்னைக்கு அவரோட டேர்ன் ஓவர் வந்து அவர் வந்து 11 lakhs மந்த் ஒன்ஸ் 11 lakhs அச்சீவ் பண்ணுறாரு காஃபி ஷாப்பில். ஒன்லி காஃபி தான். அவர்கிட்ட பேசுகிறப்போ அவர் என்ன சொல்கிறாருன்னா, நான் வந்து குவாலிட்டியை மெயின்டைன் பண்ணுறேன், குவாலிட்டியில் எந்த காம்ப்ரமைஸ் பண்ணவே இல்லை. ஒரு இன்கம் டேக்ஸே பார்த்தீங்கன்னா வருஷத்துக்கு வந்து 15 lakhs கட்டுறாரு. அவர் என்ன அவர் வந்து இப்போ என்னன்னு சொல்கிறாங்கன்னா, நான் சாதாரண கிளாஸ் தான் கழுவிட்டு டீ கடையில், அந்த டீ கடையில் டீ குடிக்கிறப்போ எனக்கு வந்து ஒரு நாள் நல்லா இருக்கும், டீ மாஸ்டர் வந்து மாற்றி அப்படி போட்டுக்கிட்டு இருக்கப்போ எனக்கு ஒரு ஐடியா தோணுச்சு, நம்ம ஏன் இங்கே கிளாஸ் கழுவிட்டு நம்ம ஒரு மாதிரியே ஒரு டீ கடை ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணலாம். அதே மாதிரி இந்த பால் தான் வாங்கிட்டு தண்ணி ஊற்றாம காய்ச்சுவேன், காஃபி போடலாம், குவாலிட்டி எப்பயுமே ஒருத்தருக்கு நான் இப்போ எனக்கு காஃபி வேணும்னு நான் போய் ரெடி பண்ணேன், ஃப்ரெஷ்ஷாக டீக்காசு ஒன்று ரெடி பண்ணி என்னோட காஃபி இங்கே எத்தனை பேர்னாலும் வந்து தேடி வந்து குடிப்பேன். பெரிய பெரிய ஆளெல்லாம் வந்து தேடி குடிச்சிட்டு போவாங்க. அவர் காஃபி ரேட்டு அவர் ஏற்றவே மாட்டாங்க, அவங்க தான் நீங்கள் ஏற்றுங்க, வருஷம் வருஷம் காஃபி ரேட்டு வந்து 5 ரூபாய் இருந்தது, அப்புறம் இருந்தது, நீங்கள் 15 ரூபா, நீங்கள் 25 ரூபாய் என் காஃபி நான் ஏற்றலை, என்னோட கஸ்டமர்ஸ் தான் ஏற்றுறாங்க அப்படின்னு. ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் என் எத்திக்ஸ் ஃபார் தி என்டர்பிரனர். அதாவது கஸ்டமர் இட் இஸ் எ மேஜர் ரோல் ஆஃப் தி. அதெல்லாம் கேட்குறப்ப ரொம்ப பெருமையா இருந்தது. பிடிக்காதவங்க கிளாஸ் 6ஆம் கிளாஸ் இன்னைக்கு ஒரு கூட்ட ஆண்டர்பிரனர். அவர் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா நிறைய பேருக்கு வேலை கொடுத்து அவர் கடையில வந்து 15-20 பேர் வேலை செய்யறாங்க. ஆனா அவர் கடையில வந்து பார்சல்லாம் கிடையாது. தான் வந்து குடிக்கணும். சூப்பர் டேஸ்டா இருக்கும். என்ன பிடிச்சதுன்னு மற்ற சொல்றதை வச்சுட்டேன். இடையில நான் அவரை பார்த்து பேசினப்போ அவர் அதெல்லாம் சொன்னார். அவர்கிட்ட ஷேர் பண்றப்போ ஆண்டர்பிரனர் வந்து இந்த அளவுக்கு எப்படி டெவலப் ஆகுறாங்க. சாதாரண ஒரு டீ கடை வச்சிருக்காங்க, ஒரு டீ கடை வச்சிருக்காங்க, எந்த அளவுக்கு வந்து ஒரு சொசைட்டில வந்து பேசப்படுறாங்க. முக்கிய காரணம் வந்து குவாலிட்டி அண்ட் எத்திக்ஸ். மெயினா எத்திக்ஸ். எத்திக்ஸ் மீன்ஸ் குவாலிட்டி. Compromise from the any ethics. So this is a entrepreneurial feature. அது மாதிரி நிறைய பேர் இருக்காங்க. So maintain from the quality. That's what I am saying. So next interaction பண்றப்போ உங்களுக்கு நிறைய ஐடியாஸ் நீங்க क्वेश्चंस கேளுங்க. ஸோ என்னென்ன மாதிரி ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணலாம், என்னென்ன
Thank you, madam, for your valuable presentation, wonderful presentation. Thank you, madam.
சார் இன்டராக்ஷன் பண்ண சொல்லுங்க சார் ஸ்டூடண்ட்ஸ்.
Yeah, dear students, if you have any doubts, you can interact with ma'am.
Okay, Guru, thank you. Thanks, everyone.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much for joining with us and delivering such a wonderful session, ma'am. We are glad to learn a subject beyond the syllabus, and you have very well narrated real innovations and approaches of current entrepreneurs in today's scenario. So it's a great pleasure for SRM Valiama Engineering College Department of Management Studies getting associated with you. Thank you once again, ma'am. Thanks for everyone who joined the session. Hoping for more. Thank you, ma'am. Hoping for more knowledgeable session to continue like this in future. Yes, this is Guru once again, and thank you to the HOD. Thank you to Dr. S. Vanitha ma'am. Thank you to the students and faculty that are present over here. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Dear students, feedback link will be shared in your WhatsApp group. Kindly fill the feedback. Thank you all for joining. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.